हेलो, वेलकम बैक टू अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ लाइलैक लाइफ विद अदिति। और आज मैं आपको ले जा रही हूँ अपने साथ कुर्ग, विच इज़ अराउंड 200 किलोमीटर्स फ्रॉम बैंगलोर। तो लेट्स गो। Kurg is a hill station in Karnataka, which means forest on steep hill, around 260 kilometers from Bangalore. So we took the Mysore highway via Kushalnagar to Somwarpet. This is where our resort was located. We left around 7 in the morning from Bangalore. We reached around 9:30 to Vaishali, which is on the Mysore highway, around 150 kilometers from Bangalore. And guys, this is our go-to place for any breakfast stops. Highly recommended. We ordered some, light plain dosas along with it sambar and chutneys. And definitely एक hot filter coffee का कप तो बनता है when you are in a South Indian restaurant. We are on our way back to Kurg now. It was raining continuously, as you can see, and the roads looked so beautiful with lush green forest on both sides. Near our resort was this huge green meadows, and we thought to stop by, and we rightly did so. The endless mountain ranges, ridges of grass, forest-clad slopes rising to the sky gives Kurg its unique and irreplaceable character. It has pleasant, amiable weather all around the year, but I would highly recommend monsoons. Rightly so, it is called the Scotland of India, being situated in the exquisite location of Western Ghats. Around 3 p.m. we reached near our resort, and here we enter Ayatana Kurg, our home for next 2 days. It is a supremely beautiful and Kurg's finest luxury resort. It is spread over around 100 acres of endless lush green lands with waterfalls, streams, mists, early morning dew and birds singing songs. It is also a pet-friendly resort. You can bring your pets here, but there are certain pet policies and additional charges that you can check on their website. I'll drop a link in the description box. It is a perfect getaway as much as a luxury family resort. The resort is so well done, you feel like you are in nature but nestled in the lap of luxury. This is the reception area, guys. Everything was very well maintained, including social distancing, masks and all other amenities. There are around 53 beautifully done cottages, and this is our cottage. Let me give you a beautiful view of it. As you enter the room, you have the washroom and closet on one side, and then the main bedroom. There were quite so many lamps with warm lights. I really love them, with soft bedding and a couch to relax. But the best part was this huge private balcony. Let me take you through it. Once you open the doors, you feel like you are in heaven. You feel like you are in Amazon rainforest, really. This field was something spectacular, and there were so many birds singing, especially the Malabar whistling birds. And this is me doing some drama here because it's a dramatically beautiful place. In the evening we went for our teas, high tea with some pakoras, cakes and everything. But this is the biggest reveal. This is the highlight of this resort. This beautiful, humongous, private waterfall. It felt like the water is the king here, and definitely it is. The whole view was so soothing, and especially this infinity pool, facing towards the waterfall, though it was closed due to corona, but still the views were breathtaking, spectacular, and I was like awestruck. I had never seen such a beautiful waterfall along with such lush green trees. Wherever you looked, whichever place you went, you could see the waterfall from there. So thoughtfully planned. Next day we went for a breakfast, and the spread was huge, guys. It had fruits and it had all the different cuisines you can find across the globe, including Italian, Oriental, Continental, Indian, including South Indian, North Indian, and the special local Kurgi style food. Here is a small glimpse of the spread, and I know you must be feeling hungry. We all know what good food does for our heart, our soul and our stomach. And the staff were so courteous and so very responsible. Everyone was wearing masks, gloves and everything, and always ready to help. And here I am enjoying my breakfast, but not just breakfast. This is breakfast with a breathtaking view, not to be missed at all. The resort is very tastefully done. You will not feel that you are in a man-made place. They have kept so many things intact, as if you are in the lap of nature. There were so many beautiful butterflies, different flora, fauna and whatnot. These beautiful streams looked so pretty, and these stairs looked like the stairs of heaven, guys. And here I am enjoying with these ducks. They look so cute, running here and there, enjoying the rain. Lovely. So this is the lunch time, and they had amazing cuisine again. The spread was huge, as I said, and here I am enjoying some chicken, some noodles. That's my favorite cuisine. And the dessert platter, oh my god, they had such beautiful varieties. I felt like having all of it, but definitely my stomach was not permitting me to. I wish I could accommodate some more, but can't help. Truly drool worthy. And this is the view during the dinner. So we took our dinner and we sat in front of the waterfall. There were floodlights on it and it looked so majestic, so beautiful. I can't express. Next morning we woke up with sounds of the birds and we had our tea. This is the restaurant, which is the Glass House, and next to it is the Forest Tavern Bar, where you get exit with drinks and liquors. They also have a wilderness spa where you can get varieties of spa done. The whole of the resort looked so natural, nothing man-made, and so much of luxury too. I just love this place. As the time, ended and we were about to leave, I felt, oh God, these 2 days just passed away so soon. But I was so content also because I had lot of fun during this day and I felt really welcomed here. So I will definitely come back, Ayatana. We all contemplate, that this journey should never end. But every journey ends so that a new journey can begin. I never felt so connected with nature, with rains, with trees, with birds before. In our busy schedule and the hustle bustle of city life, we forget to reminisce these small things of life which gives us the complete joys. And the only thing I can say is love nature as much as it loves you back, and you will never feel sad anymore. And with this, I end this video, guys. After this, we left for Bangalore. And if you like this video, do subscribe to my channel. Please do a thumbs up to this video so that I can bring you some more very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.